Hi everybody, welcome to a short introduction to Python. Today I'm going to have a look at an ASCII program. We're going to generate an ASCII value, ask the user to guess that particular value, and display a message depending on how close they are to that value, and whether they need to guess again. So to do that, we need to first of all come across with import random. Okay, so just as we did with our random number, we're going to import random and that random module to allow us to be able to assign a random integer. Okay, so we're going to say number equals and then random, rand range, and the rand range or the random range of values that we're going to look for is 97 to 122, and pop that into the brackets. And that's all that's going to do is generate a random number between 97 and 122, which is the lowercase values for A to Z. And what we're going to look at then is the next stage is to go and look for our guess. So our user is going to guess a particular value. And first of all, the guess value, or what's going to be stored, is going to be none. And then what we're going to do is put in our conditional loop. So we say that if guess does not equal value of CHR number, which is just basically saying that the letter that they're going to type in, if it doesn't equal the same as the number that we are given, and we're going to keep this going on a regular basis. So we're going to say that while that doesn't equal the character, we're going to say print. And we're going to print that guess vector. It's represented by the number, and we're just going to put in the number. So our actual guess, our actual random number is going to be placed in there. Okay, make sure you put a comma in between your string and your variable, and then we're going to say the guess equals str, and that's just a string value, and it's going to be input like so. All right, so we've got our guess now coming in, and it's going to loop for as many times it needs to until such times as we end up with the correct answer. Then what we're going to do is to display our output. So if we don't get it right, we're going to say, sorry, that's the value for, or the ASCII value for this is whatever it would be, and then for you to guess again. So we're going to say if the guess does not equal our number, so just the same as what we had above, but this is just an if statement this time, we're going to say we're going to print out the message, I'm sorry. If I actually put in the quotation marks, that was it. Letter I. I'm sorry, and then put our guess value, and then we say that would be, I'm going to put in the value that it would be. So we use, in order to do that, we use the Ord value. Oh, sorry, what have I missed? So I'm sorry, and our guess. I missed something there. So I'm sorry, and then our guess, and then we've put in would be and the guess value. And close off that bracket because we've opened up two brackets, so we need to close two brackets. And then we're going to put in an elif, and that's just going to say, well, if we do manage to get the right answer, what's going to print out? And that's going to print out message to tell us, well done. Okay. so let's see what we do when this runs. Click OK. I've already previously saved this, so it should automatically save for me. Guess which letter has been represented by 107. So what was that? Maybe K. Maybe sure we're going lowercase this time. Okay, and it would help if I then spell things properly in there, no typos. If I run that again, I'm just going to run it again. I'm just going to pick a letter that I know is not likely to be right. So by 101, if I click on Z, oh, that's 122. What's 101? B, E. There we go. And that's got it correct.